What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danii Elle. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and show your girl some love. Thank you for coming back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a bag review. Last Sunday, April 7th was my birthday, so I wanted to get myself something nice, and I love bags. I love bags more than I love shoes. So I needed a new work bag anyway, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it. So I went around searching for a functional work bag that I could replace my Michael Kors tote with. And so I went around to a couple of stores. I did look at some high-end bags. I feel like I'm looking at the wrong... Okay. I did go and look at some luxury bags, some really high-end bags. But like I said, I wanted a nice bag, but I did not want to have to spend that type of money. So I went to everybody's favorite store, TJ Maxx, and I found a beautiful bag. The moment I saw it, it jumped out at me because of its detailing. And so let me show you. So this is the bag. It is a vegan leather. I have to say vegan or else my daughter will kill me if I say vegan like I normally do. The first thing that jumped out at me about this bag was the detailing. So the detailing on the front of the bag, as you can see, is this like a zipper, and it has a little turnkey lock, and you can, you know, it opens up from, you open the clip and it opens up that way. So we're going to talk about the outsides of the bag. So this is the detailing that really caught my eye. Secondly was these zippers on the side. And I'll tell you how much I paid for it after I do the review. Zippers on the side, which I did try to zip them up. And it only goes up about a quarter of the way. So I guess it really is for just for the look of the bag, because it's not, the zippers aren't really that functional. And they have them on both sides. So this is a black vegan leather bag. I like the tan handles. And it's actually a big bag. You can fit a binder in here. You could actually fit a MacBook in here. My regular work laptop is not going to fit in this bag, but I already have a bag for my laptop. The laptop that I carry for work. So I'm just going to be carrying my notebook that I use for work. My lipstick, my chapstick, my body spray, my planner, my calendar, my personal calendar, and then I have a work planner for work. And you know, obviously my phone, my pens, my wallet, stuff like that. The exterior of the bag, there's a zipper here, and it has a little pocket on the inside, and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside as well. Alright, so now we're gonna go in the bag. What I liked about this bag in comparison to my Michael Kors tote bag is that it has an actual zipper so that you can close the bag. The totes, a lot of the totes, even like the Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag, that bag doesn't close, and you either have a lock to keep it halfway closed or you don't have anything. So again, like I said, it's a vegan leather, and it feels really nice. It smells like leather, you know, nice, soft to the touch type of consistency material. And on the inside, so it's a La Miel. TJ Maxx sells really, really nice bags. Like, don't sleep on TJ Maxx. You can get a really nice bag from TJ Maxx without having to spend your whole paycheck. As I said before, I needed a bag with a zipper. And so this bag does close. So you have your zipper here, and you can close it. Here's an extra security with the outside flap zipper. Okay, so the inside of the bag, I'm trying to, has these little birds in it, and several different pockets on the inside. It has a whole bunch of pockets. You know, your usual 2 pockets here for when you want to just, you know, stick something in there. I don't know. 2 pockets right on the top here. One here and one here. And then on the other side, it's pretty deep. Like I said, you can fit a lot in here. This is a deep bag. There's also, I wonder if I can take it out. So on the inside of the bag, you have your normal pocket where you can, your storage area right here. Then on the inside of that, is another pocket with a zipper, and you can also put stuff in here. It's like a never-ending bag. Just pocket and zipper, pocket after section after section after section. So this may not be good for people who don't like going on a wild goose chase for their items. And then you have another zipper with I guess they gave an extra, I don't know what this is, maybe an extra handle. Another pocket. And then, alright, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets on the inside of this bag. And then the outside is where you would probably like put your keys so that you can have easy access to them. Me, I'm always throwing my keys at the bottom of the bag, and then by the time I get to my car, I'm digging around looking for my keys. When you should, I think that's what they made this for your phone and your keys, so you don't have to go looking for it. That's me, I'm hard-headed. Oh, and it is also another strap in here if you wanted to carry it. Instead of carrying it on your shoulder, you could hook the straps up to these little hooks here, and then carry it like a crossover, which that kind of looks more professional to me. I see a lot of ladies going to work these days like that, crossover, and then have it like on the left or the right side, and that really looks nice and professional to me. So I think I'm going to do that. But on to the price. So this bag was $29.99, guys. $29.99. I mean, I went down the aisle, I saw many bags, and then this bag jumped out at me. And I was like, oh my God, I have to have it. It's so cute, so functional. Like I said, I'm going to try to do a review once I start putting stuff in it and seeing how it goes throughout the day. I love the brown handles. I love the feel of the bag. I love the detailing, of course. And, oh, maybe, okay, so I figured out what this extra strap is for. So I'll just take the plastic off of that. If this comes off, if you lose this, that's what the extra one was for. So, but you can't really zip these up anyway. That's my new bag. I did not go out spending my mortgage money for this bag. And I really think that it's a beautiful bag. It's functional. It has the design and the style of a more, I guess, a mature bag. I'm going to be using this bag for work. I'm going to put my regular stuff in it that I normally carry. I will be doing a review in the near future of like an update video on how the bag is actually working out for me. Yep, so this bag was only $30. And I really like it, so I can't wait to start using it, and I can't wait to get to the update to show you guys how it's working out for me. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you shop at TJ Maxx and if you shop there for bags. I do. I love their bags. You can find a good bag for a good price, and you don't need to spend a lot of money on it. It makes no sense unless you have it like that. I mean, I do have luxury bags, but sometimes you don't want to spend that type of money just to carry things around in. I mean, if you have it like that, then so be it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I make another video. Thank you. Bye.